Hey everybody, today I have a 2006 Mercedes-Benz CLK500 and it had a P0456, which is a small evaporative leak. So I do have a good smoke machine and I have it hooked up right now, and as you can see right here, the little ball is going up and down, showing that there's a leak. If there was no leak, the ball would be at the very bottom, and a large leak, it would be stuck at the top. So there it goes. So this one took me quite a while to figure out what was going on with it, because the smoke wouldn't come out anywhere. So eventually what I came down to is I finally got the car up in the air and I could smell gasoline. Let me go ahead and get the key out of there. I could smell gasoline under the left side of the car. So I went ahead and pulled the top off here, and this is the pressure sensor for the evap system. So let me spray this, and can you see the bubbles right there? This housing right there is actually cracked, and it's leaking so slightly that the smoke would not come out to give me a clue of where it was. The only way I was able to figure out where it was is I had to use my nose underneath the car, and I saw a stain. So there you go. This is just a real quick one. If you have a Mercedes-Benz that has a 456 and you have the ability to use a smoke machine, use the smoke machine. The hookup is right here. I have the vent blocked off in the right rear wheel, and then I was able to find the leak with some spray 9. All right, everybody, that's a real quick one for you. A 456 on Mercedes-Benz CLK500. You got to check everywhere. All right, everybody, please subscribe. You can always do that down there in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing.